Hello, this is reading by Miss M. Ang babasahin natin ngayon, it's all about the love reading for Sagittarius. So we have the Queen of Pentacles here. May isang babae dito. Akong nakikita, she's very calm and she's very smart. Marahil ikaw to or kaibigan mo or kapatid mo. May conflict akong nakikita dito. Siguro nag-aaway kayo ng partner mo ngayon. Wheel of Fortune. Siguro may business kayo na grabe yung sipag at tiyaga nyo. And syempre yayaman kayong mag-asawa. And we have the lovers here. May third party akong nakikita dito, Sagittarius, but better know the truth first and investigate more. We have the Queen of Swords. May isang involved na babae na matapang, may pagkataray, and may Ace of Cups, no? May new beginning at mariresolbahan nyo lahat ng mga problema. Yun lamang, Sagittarius. Thank you.